Hello friends, this is Sunil Jain from New Steps Immigration Solutions, Surrey, BC, Canada. Today we would like to discuss with you about study permit extensions. A lot of students came to Canada and they were not able to complete their studies in the proper timeline, so they have to extend their student visa before expiration. When in last few days we are receiving a lot of clients whose extensions have been refused. There is a reason of rejections are there. So some students have been reported that they have not completed their studies or they have not attended the college from the last 1 year. So what happens is, basically the law is very clear that if you do not study for 3 continuously months, right, then you lost your status as a student. So if anyone of you have not want to have been enrolled in the college but have not studied or have been in the probation or academic probation, something like that, right? So most of the students who came to me from Langara College, those students who don't get the courses in the college and those who don't get the academic probation, so they should not stop the studies. Basically they should get, we guide them accordingly that what can be done at that time. If you have only 2 courses, then you can't work. This is very important thing that you should know, that you can't work if you are a part-time student. No matter whether it's essential or non-essential, whatever it is, you should not be liable to work. So don't make any mistakes in that. We are here to help you with your extensions with a proper way, because when the filling out the form is not a complicated thing, it's just a simple form. But a lot of persons make a mistake in updating the CIC. The CIC should be updated with your work, with your studies and everything, and whatever you're doing, right? So the incomes are there, so your notice of assessments are there, so we see them and we update the CIC accordingly. Most of the students, they simply upload the letter of acceptance and nothing else, right? So it doesn't work like this. A lot of students make a lot of mistakes in updating the CIC. So some people cam scan the documents and upload that. So they don't accept the cam scanned or picture click documents. So it should be always in a proper way. So we advise the students that some applications should not be done by themselves. If you have some issues, then come to us, we will guide you and apply it accordingly. Our charges are very competitive for the students because we got a lot of students. We are working with a lot of students. So our mainstream is students. So you want admissions in any college, you want to change the college, you are not doing good in the college, we can get you proper college. We don't get admissions in the private colleges because they are not eligible for the PGWP. So we always do the things accordingly. So if you have any confusions about study permit extensions or college change, then come to us, visit us, our website, and follow our YouTube channel and Facebook and Google page. You will get a lot of information from there as well. Otherwise, you can book an appointment by calling our office and then we can do the needful. Thank you so much.